Hello, my name is Mike. I'm playing Roland FR-7x accordion, which is the great machine, the great acoustic system built in, great sound sets. The only thing, this particular model got a couple disadvantages. The first one is LCD display got bad quality, and in result of that, in a few years of use, all displays are starting build distortion, bright white lines, horizontal, verticals, and making display unreadable and useless. People can't use it and can't read it. And myself, actually, I faced this problem back a few times, 2 times actually, and I never got success. In a year, 2 years, both replacement displays I bought from Roland Corporation get bad distortion lines again, and it was driving me crazy. Then 3 years ago, I, as an electronic design engineer, developed a solution how to fix this problem. Unfortunately, Roland Corporation stopped selling LCD displays in the reason of the bad quality. They never start making good from the different vendor or from different production lines, I don't know. And they discontinued service at all, which is a big shame. So 3 years ago, I created my way how to fix the problem. I found instead original, see, this is original Roland displays. They're turning to dirt. I was able to find on the market commercial grade, the same physical size, 1.5 inch diagonal, the same size of the ribbon connector, which is a perfect fit in a display body. The only thing, this display, replacement one, got different electrical schematic. And you cannot just swap original Roland display, how it looks, with replacement one, because it's a different schematics, different parameters, and to install new display, I must to merit. To do that, this PCB control board must to be modified. It needs to be changed. Electrical schematic, adding adding and replacing components to make my new system work. And I got great success, and during this almost 3 years I'm successfully serving 7x players, and all my customers are happy. A lot of thanks to me and so on. Couple months ago, I was able to find on market the same production line. New display crystals LCD, not 1.5 inches diagonal, but 2.4 inches. And I was able to install the bigger size of the new bigger crystal displays to my accordion. I'll show it to you how it's looking now. To do, this is my original, I extracted from my machine, and I fabricate new display. Body, I fabricate body and installed new display inside with the control board in, identically like in original display model. So I'll show it to you how it image looks. It's the same great picture with a high contrast, brightness contrast ratio display, and gives me ability to play accordion without reading glasses, which is the biggest improvement. I am so happy with my new display I made. So take a look, please, how it's different. Menu, pages looking. So, if you're able to read on your computers or monitors, whatever, when you're watching my video, I hope that you can clearly read this text. So now what I'm going to do, I'm turning off my accordion. I am going to extract mounting screw holding my grill. I am taking off my grill. I'm disconnecting my new display module, and I'm connecting my Roland original display. Now I'm powering my accordion, and I'm let you look and try to read the text on my 1.5 inch older module with the new replacement aftermarket display like that. It's a great picture. Looks identically like 2.4 inches display lighting, but try to read text. I'm not sure that you would be able. Might be you do, but it's much smaller. And me to use this display, I used to wear my reading glasses. Now I'm free of that and I'm so happy. Okay. By the way, yesterday, I received one of my new customers sent to me his original Roland display, and he's complaining about those lines across street, and he placed order to fix it for him, which is I'm going to do it. So I'll show it to you how it looks. I'm disconnecting my display and I'm gonna install his display he sent to me. Is it anybody can read it? It's absolutely unreadable. Garbage. I have to fix it and send back to my customer. Okay, I am power off my accordion, extracting, and I will show it to you. I just fabricate new 2.4 inches display for my another customer. He ordered it. And I'm keeping in my hands, so it's easy to show how it looks. Underneath, I installed this spacer, feather spacer, to keep it more rigid when you're mounting to the body. And this part of the display rests on a grill. And this spacing making more rigid and more sturdy. The new body display got it. It's less taller than originals Roland display. And pigtail connector connecting to the accordion. I'll show it to you how it looks. Perfect picture. It's very good picture, very good image. So I am turning off my machine and I'm going to assemble my accordion. I connected back my new display module. Actually, the new body got mounting holes. It's the same pattern like original, and perfect match. You're using the same mounting holes in the body. You don't need any drillings, any work to do. Just replace 3 screws. That's it. And if you see how it's rigid and sturdy. Perfect. So I am happy what I did for my machine, and if anybody interesting or got some questions, you're welcome. Email to me mikesaccordion@gmail.com and I'll take care of you. So this story was regarding display. Another disadvantage of this machine design is FD-7 pedal. Not a lot of people actually is not happy with that, because the huge rigid cable connected to the 19-pin connector, communication connector on the bottom of the accordion to the pedal, it's not long life time, and a lot of people get problem with that. Cable breaks inside, and very poor quality. They used very sturdy, rigid cable instead using flexible rubberized cables like commercial video cameras equipped. So I'll show it to you what I did. Actually, you can see I fabricated using flexible cable. I made this harness. I linked in here power, which comes from the 24 volts DC, AC to DC converter power supply, plugged in the wall. I linked to this connector MIDI out from accordion to connect my BK7M and I linked in this cable audio left and right. This is MIDI linked and audio left and right. Connecting to the BK7M. Left and right output from accordion. So when I'm performing, I'm using only this 19-pin connector on accordion. I'm not using line out left and right, and I'm not using additional cables, which is bothering while you're playing. I have only one tiny flexible cable, and this is very convenient gadget and makes my life easier while I'm performing. And the switch pedal, I'm using only FR-7 pedal, Roland FR-7, to control connecting to the BK7M arranger, and I'm controlling my rhythms. So this is what I was going to show it to you and tell you, provide my information. And if somebody got questions, please email to me mikesacordion@gmail.com and I'll take care of you. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.